Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. If you enjoy affiliate marketing, e-commerce, app reviews, paid surveys, anything along those lines, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you whenever I upload new content, which will be coming more frequently. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with Quora, which is basically a website where you ask and answer questions. Now, the main way you can make money from this website is by using this as a traffic source for your affiliate links or for your referral links or anything like that, or even if you're trying to build a social media page or an Instagram account or a YouTube channel, this works for all that. It is a great source to get reliable, free traffic, but it's ethical because you're not doing anything shady. What you're doing is you're answering the questions honestly, you're giving a good summary, a good answer to people's questions, and then once you do that a few times, you could start slipping in links to your own pages, and it really makes sense because you give, and then you could get. So it's a very ethical way to get free traffic and actually make some money. So I'm going to be using Zach Pinnell for an example. He has a Quora. He has answered 362 questions. He has 5,000, almost 6,000 followers. He's following 666 people. That's kind of ominous, 666, but whatever. He has 4.8 million content views. 4.8 million people has viewed his answers before and his questions. Now, if you're wondering, how do you get that much? Well, if you do a quick Google search, you'll see that Quora ranks very well in Google. It's actually getting a lot of rankings in Google, which is an awesome thing. And the trick here is to not be spammy. So look at what he does. He answers these honestly. Look at this one. He hasn't put in anything in here that is a link back to anything, right? This is just an honest answer. What you want to do with Quora is you want to basically follow a 3-to-1 ratio. So you want to do basically, you're going to do 2 honest answers, right? Without any referrals or any, backlinks to your Instagram or your website or your blog. You don't do any of that. But then in the third one, you answer it honestly, but you could add a link back. So for example, he did this one honestly without any link back. He did this one honestly without any link back. He did this one honestly without any link back. But for one of them, let me try and find it. I just had it up a second ago. Okay, so I found it. It was this one. What is a good way to make money on the side? And you can see he lists, all these great ways that I talk about: drop shipping, affiliate marketing, informational products, all these things. He wrote basically a mini blog. And look right here. I made an awesome guide on building a blog right here. And this is a link to his guide, which he probably will use to capture an email address and then use to monetize. Now, if you're not building a blog, that's totally cool. I get it. But if you put in your Instagram, right? If you're like, hey, if you want to learn more about this topic, follow me on Instagram, you could do that and it will work fairly well. What you want to do is you want to use bit.ly, which is a URL shortener. That way you could actually track how many clicks your link is getting, right? So just to give you an example, I know this is a little bit vague and I will do future videos on this topic to go more in depth. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. But just to give you an example, let's say I have an Instagram page, right? That's around cooking. I'm about cooking, vegan meals. Let's say I'm not actually vegan, but just theoretically, I'm doing vegan meals, right? And I have a cooking page, and I put in a recipe list of the top 10 easiest vegan recipes, going for easy and simplicity, only a couple ingredients, right? And I do that, I put out the list, and this will be an answer to someone's question. Of course, they have to ask it first, but just theoretically. And then at the bottom, I'm like, hey, if you want to find more awesome recipes, check out my Instagram. And then you link it just like he linked his blog right here, building a blog. So Quora is a great way to get free traffic. And if you're wondering, well, if I'm not doing Instagram, if I'm not doing this, how do I do it? Use your affiliate links. Go over to ClickBank, right? I'm sure you've used ClickBank before for affiliate products, which I've done videos on in the past. Maybe I'll link it down below if you haven't seen my ClickBank video. You will use ClickBank, and maybe at the end of your answer, you put something along the lines of, hey, this is a great product for what you're looking for. Maybe try this out. Something along those lines, a little bit less direct, but you guys get the point. You give, and then you get, and then this is a great way to get free traffic. This is Quora. Check it out. It's a growing website. I think this website is going to really really take off over the next few years, especially with Google pushing it. But let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think you're going to be using Quora in the future to get free traffic? Let me know in the comment section down below. I will catch you next time. It's Mr. Modern Financial signing out.